Hello and welcome to Health for Millionaires, where we explore vital topics that impact our well-being. Today, we're discussing something deeply personal: grief. Losing a loved one, or experiencing any major loss, can be one of life's most challenging experiences. Grief affects our emotions, minds, and even our physical health. But healing is possible. In this video, we'll explore the grieving process, coping strategies, and ways to find hope and strength. Stay with us as we navigate this journey together. Grief is a natural response to loss. It can result from the death of a loved one, a breakup, losing a job, or even moving away from a familiar place. Everyone grieves differently, but most people experience common stages of grief, including denial, feeling numb or in shock, refusing to accept the reality of the loss; anger, frustration, resentment, or questioning why the loss happened; bargaining, thoughts of what if, or wishing to change the past; depression, deep sadness, withdrawal, or feeling overwhelmed; acceptance, gradually coming to terms with the loss and finding ways to move forward. These stages don't happen in a set order, and some people revisit them at different times. There's no right or wrong way to grieve. Grief isn't just emotional, it affects the body too. You may experience fatigue and sleep disturbances, insomnia or excessive sleeping due to emotional exhaustion, appetite changes. Some people overeat, while others lose their appetite. Weakened immune system. Stress can make you more susceptible to illness. Anxiety and depression, feelings of hopelessness, guilt, or fear can be overwhelming. Understanding these effects can help you take steps to care for yourself during the grieving process. Healing takes time, but there are healthy ways to cope with grief. Allow yourself to feel. Suppressing emotions can prolong grief. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Seek support. Talk to family, friends, or a support group. You don't have to go through grief alone. Practice self-care. Eating well, exercising, and getting enough rest are crucial for emotional resilience. Express yourself. Journaling, art, or music can help release emotions and process your thoughts. Talk to a professional. Therapy or counseling can provide valuable tools for coping and healing. Moving forward doesn't mean forgetting your loved one or the loss you experienced. Instead, it means finding ways to honor their memory and integrate their influence into your life. Here are some ways to find meaning. Create a tribute, write a letter, make a scrapbook, or plant a tree in memory of a loved one. Help others. Volunteering or supporting others can bring a sense of purpose. Set small goals. Taking small steps toward daily routines can help regain a sense of normalcy. Embrace new experiences. Learning a new skill, traveling, or exploring a passion can help create new positive memories. Grief is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Remember, you are not alone. Healing is possible, and life still holds moments of joy and hope. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Health for Millionaires for more insightful content on health and well-being. Stay strong, and take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video.